at Barracuda, we actually use this line powered by people, enhanced by AI,
Mm.
and that's exactly what we're doing within our security operations center as well. So we are incorporating AI within our workflows, but we still have that human in the loop factor and the guardrails in place to make sure that AI doesn't go rogue, to make sure it knows how to escalate to an analyst or an engineer when there is something higher confidence, and also gives back time to our engineers and our analysts to focus on more higher confident incidents such as ransomware.
You know, you talk about humans and so forth, and human in the loop, and
Hmm.
also giving engineers back some of their very needed time. I mean, this is a
Yeah.
conversation that we hear a lot too. Is that you know, the promise is that it will allow engineers and other people in the SOC and so forth to just, you know, basically have time to focus on more mission critical tasks. Is that sort of, you know, what your focus is too at Barracuda?
Yeah, so all of our engineers are also AI engineers as well, right? We are able to give back time to our engineers so they can focus on like implementing AI or using AI to for such as like threat hunting.
Mhm.
We also are focused on providing better customer service, right? So with the time that we get back, we're able to spend more time with our customers to better understand what their security needs are, so we can help, help get them to the best they can be.